Hi, and welcome to another episode of Coding Kids. Today we're just going to go over some real quick tips to make sure you're using your keyboard and your programs well. So we're going to go through some commands. I'm just on my desktop and I want you to get up your website. So let's go through the steps again. Just double click on the folder where your website's being held, My First Website, if you've been following the tutorials. So I'm going to double click on that, and then you can just double click on your index.html. And what should come up is your website. Our website so far, well, mine has a teal background and some text here. So I'm also going to get up my Sublime text editor, and it's just blank. And like I said before, you can just click and drag on the folder that you want and you get all the files that you need. I'm going to double click on my index.html, and as you can see here, we have the H1, my first heading, and the paragraph. We haven't learned about these things just yet. We just finished the structure. But today we're just going to go over some quick commands and shortcuts. So over here, you can see it's a reflection of the code that we have. I'm going to go to my CSS and I'm going to remove the background color so we can just go back to our default and save that out. Refresh that over here. Okay, so let's start with those commands. The first command I want to go over is the save command. On a Mac, we're using Command and a button or Control and a button. So just remember that and keep that in mind if you're using a PC while I'm on a Mac. So the first command is save, and that is Command S. So I can save that, or how about I change something first? My first heading 1. Command S. I can go back over here and refresh the page. And as you can see, we've saved it and I've got the new heading 1. So we got our save done. Now let's look at the refresh. So let's just do the save again. We can put a 2 here, Command S. If I go back to my website, the command would be Command R or Control R for a PC. So Command R, and there we go. We've refreshed our page. See, these are really easy, aren't they? Delete that. And the next one we're going to do is a copy. Most of you will know this one from using any Word document or any text editor, and it's the same. You can just highlight anything you want, Command C, and we might as well learn paste at the same time, which is Command V. So just remember that Command C is to copy and Command V is to paste. Paste is just pasting whatever you have in your clipboard. So we're going to then move on to Command X. It's not delete. Command X is to cut something. And it's the same as copy, except copy will keep your whatever you've copied there, and then you can paste it. But if you use Command X, it'll actually cut that away and so that you can paste it somewhere else. Command X and then Command V. Super easy. All right, so we've done save, we've done refresh, we've done copy, we've done paste, and we've done cut. Now, the toggle program. So on a Mac, we're using Command Tab. I'm going to do this real slow so that you can actually see it on the screen. Command Tab will bring up a list of my programs that I'm using. And I can literally just hold down Command and continuously tap on the Tab button to toggle through the programs I'm using. So here's my Sublime Text. Here is my Chrome, and it just goes between the programs. I normally use it quite fast so that you don't actually see the programs come up. So we've got the toggle program. Now let's move on to some of the more advanced stuff. So number one is when I'm coding, and I often will do this, is you can hold down Command or Control on a PC, and you can click in several places on Sublime. And I can write like this. It's a useful tool later on when we start to do, a lot of different elements or different pieces of code. but we want to write several lines at the same time. For example, if I wanted to give both of these a class, I could do that at the same time, and I just save some time for myself. And actually, that'll lead on to our next one. So Command Z. Command Z is to undo something. So if I was to make a mistake here, I can press Command Z, and it just works its way backwards. Finally, we can drag our cursor across text, and it can highlight it. That is one way to highlight text. Another is to simply click on a spot, hold down Shift, and you can click on another spot, and it will highlight everything in between those 2 points. So we can work backwards too. If I'm starting at the bottom here, hold down Shift, and I click up top, it'll highlight all of that. Let's try from the bottom of the page to the top of the page. Okay, why don't we go over the last one, which is to copy and paste a whole line. We can highlight the line, copy, paste. Or another way to do that is just go to the end of the line on Sublime Text, and if you press Command C here, you can press Command V here also and see what happens. Command V, 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 V. So if you are just at the end of a line and you press Command C or Command X, for example, you can then paste out the entire line without having to highlight the actual line itself. Anyways, we're back here. I don't want to have all those things, so I'm gonna Command S, which is to save, toggle over to my website, Command R to refresh. Anyways, that's been Shortcuts and Commands with Coding Kids. I will see you next episode. See ya!